Imagine a world where your smartphone can unfold into a tablet or your smartwatch can expand into a full-screen display. Welcome to the future with Corning's Expanded Vision, a revolutionary technology transforming the way we interact with displays. This cutting-edge innovation from Corning enables the creation of flexible, foldable, and even stretchable displays that can be integrated into a wide range of applications. From wearable devices to automotive displays, Expanded Corning Vision is set to revolutionize our visual experience, allowing screens to adapt to any shape, size, or form factor. Say goodbye to rigid screens and hello to a new era of dynamic, versatile displays. Imagine sitting in a transparent, bubble-like canopy mounted on top of an aircraft, offering you an unparalleled 360 degrees panoramic view of the skies. This is the SkyDeck by Windspeed Technologies, a groundbreaking innovation set to transform air travel. Accessible via a sleek staircase or an advanced elevator, this luxurious feature adds a touch of exclusivity and excitement to both commercial and private jets. Whether you're soaring over stunning landscapes or witnessing breathtaking sunsets from 30,000 feet, the SkyDeck promises an unforgettable journey like no other. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge design, state-of-the-art technology, and visionary impact the SkyDeck is poised to have on the future of aviation. Discover how Windspeed Technologies is redefining air travel, making every flight an adventure to remember. The Brinc Drone, a game-changing tool for public safety and emergency response. This rugged, waterproof, and compact drone is designed for first responders, search and rescue teams, and law enforcement agencies. Equipped with thermal imaging, 4K video, and GPS, the Brinc Drone provides critical aerial support during emergency situations. With up to 30 minutes of flight time, it's perfect for locating missing persons, tracking fire spread, and detecting hotspots with ease. Available now for purchase and deployment worldwide, Brinc offers expert training and support to ensure your team can take emergency response to new heights. The KT2 Wheel Robo Dog, a revolutionary robot designed for research, development, and deployment across various applications. This agile and adaptable robotic dog features a wheel designed for high-speed movement, a sensor suite for navigation and obstacle detection, and a modular design for easy maintenance and customization. Capable of autonomous operation, the KT2 Wheel Robo Dog is perfect for search and rescue missions, environmental monitoring, industrial inspections, and more. With its advanced technology and versatile design, this Robo Dog is changing the game for robotics and autonomous systems. Imagine a robot that can navigate challenging terrain, detect hazards, and provide critical information in real time. The KT2 Wheel Robo Dog is the future of robotics, and it's available now. The Hitachi Blue Train, also known as the Blue Pullman, was a luxurious train service that operated in the UK from 1960 to 1973. With its sleek blue livery and high standards of comfort and service, this train epitomized luxury rail travel. It was equipped with advanced features such as air conditioning, central heating, and a lounge car with comfortable seating and large windows, making it the ultimate way to travel. Powered by a powerful diesel-electric locomotive, the Blue Train could reach speeds of up to 90 miles per hour. Although it's no longer in service, the Hitachi Blue Train remains an iconic symbol of luxury rail travel and a beloved memory for those who were fortunate enough to experience it. The GoSun EV Solar Charger, a revolutionary solar charging system designed specifically for electric vehicles. Using high-efficiency solar panels, it rapidly recharges your battery, and its portable, compact design makes it easy to take on the go. Imagine being able to charge your EV anywhere, anytime, without worrying about finding a charging station or running out of power. With the GoSun EV Solar Charger, you can enjoy fast charging capabilities and get back on the road quickly, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Durable and weather-resistant, this charger is built to withstand the elements and keep you moving. Upgrade to a cleaner, greener, and more convenient EV charging experience with the GoSun EV Solar Charger. The Renault EZ-Go, a cutting-edge concept car revolutionizing urban mobility with its autonomous, electric, and shared transportation solution. Designed for public use, the EZ-Go features a modular design that can be easily customized to meet different needs, along with advanced safety features for a secure ride and a range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Prioritizing social interaction, the EZ-Go boasts rotating seats that allow passengers to face each other and large windows that provide breathtaking panoramic views. With advanced infotainment systems and seamless connectivity, you'll stay entertained and connected on the go. While the Renault EZ-Go is currently a concept car, it offers an exciting glimpse into the future of transportation. Join us as we explore the innovative design and technology behind the Renault EZ-Go, envisioning a new era of urban travel. The KT2 Kungfu Turtle, the revolutionary robot that's taking the world by storm. This futuristic companion is not only a master of martial arts, but also a whiz kid when it comes to AI robotics and programming. With its advanced sensors and high-tech motor, the KT2 Kungfu Turtle can perform a range of impressive moves, from lightning-fast kicks to intricate dance routines. But that's not all. This robot is also a valuable learning tool, teaching you about the latest advancements in robotics and AI. With its customizable design and mobile app connectivity, you can personalize your KT2 Kungfu Turtle to suit your unique style. Whether you're a robotics enthusiast, a martial arts fan, or just looking for a fun and interactive companion, the KT2 Kungfu Turtle is the ultimate addition to your tech collection. The Nova Smart Ring, a revolutionary wearable device that's taking the world by storm. This sleek and stylish ring tracks your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and other vital signs while monitoring your fitness goals, including steps, distance, calories burned, and exercise routines. Receive notifications for calls, texts, emails, and social media updates, and even make mobile payments with a simple tap. With up to 7 days of battery life, water resistance up to 50 meters, and a range of stylish designs, this ring is a game changer. Available now in the UAE, get your Nova Smart Ring today and experience the future of wearable technology. The future of farming with the IGS Automated Vertical Farming System, revolutionizing crop growth with cutting-edge technology. This modular and scalable solution allows farmers to precisely control temperature, humidity, light, and nutrient delivery, optimizing plant growth while minimizing waste and reducing environmental impact. Automated growth recipes and a closed-loop ecosystem ensure efficiency, while IoT-enabled monitoring and AI-powered insights enable data-driven decisions to boost yields and improve crop quality. Say goodbye to water waste and chemical use, as this system uses up to 90% less water and minimal chemicals. With the IGS Automated Vertical Farming System, enjoy increased crop yields, improved quality, and year-round production. Introducing Owlet Bikes, the revolutionary smart bicycles that are transforming the way we ride. Equipped with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and a collision alert system, Owlet Bikes let you ride with confidence. Enjoy a comfortable journey with an ergonomic design, adjustable seats, and front suspension, all while promoting sustainable transportation and reducing your carbon footprint. Customize your ride with a range of personalized accessories, colors, and components, and stay connected with GPS, Bluetooth, and a dedicated mobile app. From the Owlet One to the Owlet City and Owlet Trail, there's a model for every type of rider. Experience the future of cycling with Owlet Bikes and join the community of enthusiasts already embracing the thrill of the ride. Fotokite, the revolutionary aerial photography and videography system that's changing the game with its innovative tethered drone design. Fotokite offers a secure and stable connection, allowing you to capture stunning high-resolution photos and videos from the air. With real-time video transmission, you can monitor and control the drone from the ground, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. Its autonomous flight capabilities make it easy to track subjects and capture smooth, stabilized footage. Plus, its portable and compact design means you can easily take it with you on location. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or just a drone enthusiast, Fotokite is the ultimate tool for capturing unique and captivating aerial content.